The 2026 Lamborghini Double-Decker RV redefines luxury travel in a way only Lamborghini can. At first glance, this bold machine blends supercar-inspired aggression with the commanding presence of a high-end motorhome. Sharp lines, aerodynamic styling, and signature Lamborghini design cues make it stand out instantly, even when parked. Powering this massive luxury RV is a high-performance engine tuned for smooth long-distance cruising while still delivering impressive acceleration for its size. The ride feels stable and confident, with advanced suspension systems that adapt to highways, mountain roads, and city streets. Despite its scale, driving feels surprisingly controlled and refined. Step inside, and the transformation is dramatic. The lower deck offers a spacious lounge with premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and a fully digital control system that manages climate, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, creating an open and relaxing atmosphere. The upper deck is where the double-decker RV truly shines. This level features a luxury bedroom suite, a high-end bathroom with modern fixtures, and a private relaxation area that feels more like a five-star hotel than a vehicle. Every surface is finished with premium materials, combining Italian craftsmanship with futuristic design. Technology plays a major role throughout the RV. Touchscreen displays, smart home-style controls, and advanced navigation systems ensure every journey is effortless. High-end sound systems and large entertainment screens make long trips comfortable and enjoyable for everyone on board. Safety is equally impressive, with advanced driver assistance features, 360-degree cameras, and intelligent braking systems designed to handle the RV's size without compromising confidence on the road. The 2026 Lamborghini Double-Decker RV is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's built for those who want extreme luxury, bold design, and exclusivity while traveling without limits. This is Lamborghini pushing boundaries once again, proving that even the world of RVs can be transformed into something truly extraordinary.